Hey, how's it going? Happy Thursday. Today it's going to be kind of easy. Got you a little quick video to watch, a little Venn diagram assignment as kind of a review over the colonies we've been talking about for the past few days. So let's go ahead and let me walk you through that so we can get you started for the day. So as you see here, direction says using the video posted below, this one right here, and your notes. The notes that you should be taking in your online digital notebook or on your physical notebook if that's what you're doing. Use those notes that we've taken over the colonies and fill in the Venn diagram in the PowerPoint linked here. So you will click on this link here in just a second to get that PowerPoint file that you're going to need to do your work in. Make sure you save your work. All right, when you do your Venn diagram, make sure you save your work. Just keep the name of the file the same, just add your name in front of it, and I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, what you need to include in your Venn diagram. We're basically leaving the middle colonies out of this discussion for today, and we're comparing the Southern and the New England colonies, okay? So you need to include 3 things about the Southern colonies, ways that they were different, ways that they were unique. You'll need to include 3 things about the New England colonies, ways that they were different or unique. And then we want 3 ways or 3 things that they had in common. 3 ways that they're the same, similarities. Okay? And we'll look at that here in just a second. So let's go ahead and show you how to download the link. So we're going to click on this PowerPoint link, and it's going to ask me if I want to download this link. I'm going to say yes. And I'm just going to stick it on my desktop so that it's easy to get to. I hit save. It's down here at the bottom. You can click and open it up. Here comes the PowerPoint. There is your PowerPoint. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click this button right here that says Enable Editing. That will allow you to type in the boxes. Okay? So this first slide is pretty much just the instructions that we just went over. Okay? Down here, you've got an example of what a Venn diagram should look like. You got whales here, you got fish here. This is unique to fish, this is unique to whales, this is something that fish and whales have in common. That's what we're going to be doing with the Southern and the New England colonies. So you're going to be doing all your work on the second slide. And notice you've got text boxes right here. That is where you're going to be putting in the information for me. So over here on Southern colonies 1, 2, and 3, that's where you put in the 3 things unique about the Southern colonies. New England colonies 1, 2, and 3, 3 things that are specific to the New England colonies. And then here in the middle, you'll put the 3 things that they kind of had in common. And you can be, there's a lot of things to pick from here. So there's obviously more than 3 things that can go in any of these boxes. So go back, look at your notes, watch the video. Okay, it's only about a 3.5-minute video. It's kind of a rap song about the 13 colonies. It's got some good information in it. You could use that information in here as well. So I'm just going to come in here and type some stuff just for the heck of it. All right. So okay, I've entered in my information. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on File. And I'm going to click on Save As. And I'm going to come, all right, let me get my face out of the way. I'm going to come over here. And the way that I'm going to save it is I'm going to click in front of the September. Okay. I'm going to leave that name the same. I'm just going to add my name in front of it. So if your name is Rivera, you would put Rivera September 3rd assignment Venn diagram. If your name is Jones, you would put Jones September 3rd. All right, click Save. Okay, so I've saved that. So now I'm going to go back over to the assignment, and there will be a button up here. Once I publish this, there will be a button that says Submit. And you'll click on that Submit button. It'll say choose a file. You'll choose the file that you saved with your name in it. So in my case, it would say Massey September 3rd Venn diagram assignment. I would select that file, hit Submit, and I'm good to go. So like we said, use your notes, watch this video down here. It's a pretty neat little video. And that's it for today. Pretty simple today. Okay. If you have any questions, if you look on my Canvas homepage now, on the home screen, you'll notice that there is a link for each of my classes that you can click on to join in live. If you've got any questions or whatever, you can hop on with me and I can try to help you out the best that I can. You don't have to join the meetings if you don't want to, but if you have any questions, you need any help, you just want to stop in and say, hey, whatever the case may be, you're more than welcome to click on that link, and I'll be here waiting for you. All right, so that's it for the day. Hope you have a good Thursday. We'll talk to you tomorrow.